the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yeah. Come on, all of you, join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes. Sarneshwar, join your hands and close your eyes. Ready? Keshav, repeat after ma'am. Keshav. Kids the anthem. Keshav. Keshav, repeat after ma'am. Kids the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Very good. Yeah, thank you, Magesha. Thank you, Madhuvanti. Okay, children, don't sit down. Before that, we'll finish this. Stand up, all of you. All of you stand up. Shall we do the warm up activity? Ready for that? Don't sit down, stand up.
What's going on? Ding, ding.
Yes, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on. Drink Drink water and come back, children. Good morning, Sarah, Mitra. Drink water and come back, children.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Let's finish drinking water. Yes? Okay. Shall we start our attendance? Yeah, thank you.
I am.
Yes. Very good, Dashwan. Next is? Who's this? Who's this? Where is Hazel?
Say here I am, ma'am.
Here I am.
Say here I am.
Here I am.
I am.
Very good, Hazel. Next is?
Yeah, I am.
Very good, Jason.
Yeah, I am, ma'am.
Very good, Keshav. Who's this?
Yeah, I am.
Very good, Radhyani. Who's this?
Here. சொல்லு ருபினா here சரி சொல்லு here சரி சரி சொல்லு
Here I am. சொல்லுங்க, ருத்வின்.
சரி சொல்லு here சரி சொல்லு here I am சொல்லு here
Yeah,
I am.
I am.
Very good, Ruthwin. Who's this girl?
Here I am.
Very good, Sarah. Next. Who's this?
Here I am.
Very good, Sri Ananya. Who's this quiet boy?
Here I am. Here I am.
Very good, Sukri Gautam.
சொல்லு
Who's this? Very good, Visha. Who's this?
Yeah, I am, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Who's this girl?
ஓகே
Yeah, I am.
Very good, Mahilini. Thank you so much. Who's this girl?
Here I am.
Very good, Mitra.
Here I am.
Very good, Tarneshwar.
Here I am, ma'am.
Good morning, Varsha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Who's this?
Vihan will be back in 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, children, attendance session is over. Shall we start with recap of alphabet and rhymes? Yes. First is finger family rhyme. Daddy finger, daddy finger, daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Okay, children, now we are going to play a game, okay? I want all of you to stand up. We are going to play Simon Says. Okay? Simon Says, touch your eyes, means you have to touch your eyes. Okay, children, come on, stand up, all of you. Ready, steady, go. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, touch your nose. Did Simon say to touch your eyes? No. Touch your nose, all of you. Where is your nose? Nose. Sarah, nose kahan hai? Yeah, very good. Thank you, Mavihan. Simon says, touch your ears. Where is your ears, children? Ma'am is right. This is ears. This is yours? No, which is yours? Show me where is yours. Very good, children. Which is yours? Jason. This is yours, ah. Chicho, this boy is following mama. See, ma'am will also do mistakes, right? So when I'm doing mistakes, you children have to say, ma'am, this is wrong. This is not eyes. This is eyes. This is ears. Like that you have to say, okay? So now Simon says, touch your mouth. Where is your mouth? Where is your mouth? Where is your mouth? Yeah, very good. Touch your mouth. Okay. Now Simon says, touch your head. Touch your head. Simon is saying you to touch your head. Head. Yeah, very good, Hazel. Sugriv Gautam, where is your head? Where is Sugriv Gautam's head? Yeah, very good, children. Now Simon says, touch your teeth. Touch your teeth. Where is your teeth? E. Very good. Teeth. E. Okay. Now finally Simon says, touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Yes? Next Simon says, close your eyes. Simon says, open your eyes. Simon says, close your eyes. Close, close, all of you with both of your hands. Simon says, open your eyes. Open. Again, Simon says, close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Close. Jason out. Open. Very good, children. Keep standing. Shall we do the action? Everything here. What action is this? What action is this, Vihan? Vihan, what action is this?
சொல்லு என்னன்னு சொல்லு என்னன்னு சொல்லு
Eating. Eating. All of you do the eating action.
eating action
Sarah, how will you eat?
eating action பண்ணி காமி
Very good. Eating. Okay. Next is Jason. What action is this? What action is this? Jason? Yes?
Thinking சொல்லு.
Thinking. Very good, Sugriv Gautam. Thinking. Yes, யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? Thinking. Very good. Next is Madhuvanti. What is this action? Madhuvanti. Whoever knows can say, what action is this? Jason, come on, what action is this? Drink. Drinking. Very good. Drink. All of you drink. How will you drink? How will you drink? Drink water. Very good. Next action. What action is this, Visha?
என்னது பாடுறாங்க சிங்கிங் பேசல பாடுறாங்க
Sing. He's having a mic, right? Sing.
சிங்கிங்
Sing, all of you.
எப்படி பாடுறீங்க
Sing, all of you. Yes, very good. Okay, next. Varsha. What action is this? Read. Very good. Who said read? Someone said read. Very good. Those who said the answer. Very good. Varsha. I think Sarah also said. Good. Thank you. Come on, read, all of you. How will you read? With your real books you are reading. Sri Ananya, how will you read? How will you read? Read like this. You will have a book and you will read, right? Yeah, very good, Visha. Jason, how will you read? Good children. Okay, next is what action is this? Who knows? What action is this? What action? What action? Yes. Fly. Very good. Fly. Fly, fly, fly. Very good. Well done. Okay, now the next action. Okay. Jump. Very good. Jump, jump, all of you. Jump higher, Sri Ananya. Jump. Sara, jump. Hazel, jump. Sukriv Gautam, be careful. Very good. Well done. Well done. Very good. Next is. How many of you like to do this action? What action is this, Radhyani? Dance. Come on, dance. Dance. Wow. Good children. Very good. Well done. Thank you. And the next action is walk. Walk, 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 walk. 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 Walk, walk. Very good. Well done. Okay, next action. What is this? Mahilini, what action is this? Sleep. Very good. How will you sleep? How Mahilini will sleep? How you will sleep? You will not at all sleep, ah? Achacho, on the amma lap, ah? Very good. Oh my God, I'm feeling very jealous of you. Okay, next. Stand. 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 Don't lie on your mama's lap. Stand. Stand, all of you. Good. Next, finally, what is this? What action is this, children? Clap. Clap, clap. A loud clap, fast clap. Fast. The sound should come like this. I can't hear any sound. Just clap, all of you. Clap louder. Very good. Well done. Now all of you sit down. Thank you so much, children. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah, mute yourself, children. Sit down and mute yourself. We are going to next see alphabets and its phonic sound. Ready? Okay. What alphabet is this, children? Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Yes? And what is the phonic sound for A? What is the phonic sound for A? All of you mute yourself. Very good, Hazel, Dashwan. Very good. Well done. And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they are causing me alarm. Okay, mute yourself. I'll ask one by one. Mute yourself. Okay, next is Taruneshwar. Capital B. First, tell me the alphabet, Kanna. Taruneshwar. First alphabet sollunga. Capital B. Small b. Very good. Now sing the rhyme. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba. Finish. Okay, very good. Next is C. Sukrit Gautam. Sukrit Gautam. Capital C.
Capital C. இங்க பாருமா இங்க என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க மேம் கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
Hello, I am here. நான் இங்க இருக்கேன். Hello. Hello.
அங்க பாரு
What is searching? What is this?
What is that ma?
Capital C. Capital C.
Clap பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, capital C, small c.
என்ன
Okay, what
பாட்டுமா
is the phonic rhyme? Ka only. What is the rhyme? We are clicking castanets. Ka.
ஆ
Ah. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking
சத்தமா பாடுங்க.
castanets. Ka. Who is standing near the door? I want them to come inside.
விஷால் உன்னை கூப்பிட சொல்றாங்களா உள்ள வர சொல்றாங்களா
Don't stand near the door. You can come inside. You are disturbing my child. Supreme Gautam, see what is happening.
சாரி
Okay, children. Next is Visha side. Visha side.
நீதான்
Visha ma.
சொல்லு இது என்ன அது சொல்லு.
Capital D. Small d. Okay, now sing the rhyme.
பாடு ரைம்ஸ் பாடு டீக்கு.
அப்படியா?
Ah.
எனக்கு தெரியாது, நான் இப்ப
See me.
ம்
Very good. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun. With a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Next is Mitra. 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 Oh, answer me, Amma.
என்ன லெட்டர்?
E, capital E, small e. Now, what is the phonic rhyme? Crack the egg like this. Hey. Very good, Mitra. Thank you so much. Varsha. Hmm. Very good, Varsha. Phonic rhyme. Wow. Super. Very good, Varsha. Thank you so much. Next is Sri Ananya.
What is that?
G capital D for G.
Very good. Now phonic rhyme. Wait, ma, Visha, wait.
வெயிட் அப்புறமா
Ananya. Water gurgles. What? Sing the rhyme. Water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain with a ga 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 ga. Visha wants to sing. Come on, sing, Visha. Yes, Visha. Come on, sing.
பாடு.
No. Water gurgles.
வாட்டர் கர்ஸ் டவுன் அது பாடு. அவ ஸ்ரீ நினைச்சு அவசரமா வந்துட்டா மேம்.
Oh, okay. Okay, sing for C. Clicking castanets.
பாடு. பாடு.
Kaka. We are clicking castanets. Visha, today only I'm seeing you smiling, Visha. Very nice to see you like this. Thank you so much, Visha. Next is H. Who knows for H? Mahilini.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahilini, you know for H? Capital H.
சொல்லு மேம்
For capital S.
Small H. Now sing. I like to
பாடு.
Up and down. I like to hop all
all around.
I like to hop
Up and down. Ha 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 ha. Very good. Well done. Okay, next is Jason. Children, all of you should sing the rhyme, children, but don't unmute yourself, okay?
Let's do a more.
Capital I and small I. Come on, sing the phonic rhyme.
Oh my God.
Uh, uh. What are you singing?
Ma. When he
Louder.
That.
ma'am, he knows first line and last name.
Oh, Jason, naughty boy. I'm going to pinch your nose. Huh? Only first line and last line you know. Huh? Listen to ma'am, okay? Inky the mouse is my pet. She
Pardon.
spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. You like this action, right? For that only you are remembering the last line. Naughty boy. Next is Kavi Kartika.
Jam, jam, jam.
Wow, very good. Correct them. பாடுங்கம்மா. Correct. Very good. Jelly and jam. Jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Correct only, Kana. Why do you hesitate? Correct only. Next is K. Vihan, you know for K? Children, what is the rhyme for K? Anyone knows? Who knows? Dashwan knows, sir? Who knows for K?
Kites are flying.
Very good, Keshav.
In the sky, ka ka ka.
Kites are-
Katify in the sky. Fly in the sky. Katify in the sky. Ka ka
Ka,
ka.
ka, ka. Well done. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka. Next is your favorite children. Welcome, Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Next is L. Who knows for L?
lollipop.
Who knows? No one, no? Okay. Willy, capital L, small L. Very good. I'll sing. Very good, children, but the tune is not like that, okay? We lick a lollipops, we lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. Okay? Next is M. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. What is the action for M? M, what action you will do? Very good, Radhyarni. You will rub your stomach. Mummy ரொம்ப நல்லா சமைச்சாங்கன்னா how will you eat and say, wow, mummy, it was delicious. சூப்பரா இருந்துச்சுமா. You will say, no? You will rub your stomach and say, like that, okay? And next is N. Capital N, small n. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Okay? And next is O. It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. One more time. It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Okay? So, over till O. Rest of the letters we learn tomorrow. Okay, children? Now, all of you take your English notebook. Come on, bring your English notebook. Yes. Yesterday we did K, L and M, right? Today N, O, P will do. 3 letters will do, okay? Come on, bring your English notebook. All of you. Ask your parents to write today's date. From tomorrow onwards, we'll do the calendar activity since it's date number 1. Okay, I have already told you that we'll do the calendar activity, but the date was not appropriate, so we are going to do it from date number 1. So be ready with the calendar from tomorrow. Okay, children? Ready? N O P. N O P. O and P. And the pictures are pan, net, orange. Find the sound and match it, children. Orange. What letter you will match? Pan. Pan means pa. What you will match? And then net. Here the aeroplane. That letter. N. Okay? Match it correctly. Come on.
Vedam, I'm sorry to interrupt. Anjum Parvez is Adya Sharma, right?
Anjum Parvez. Here, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's Sara Mehak.
Sarah.
Yeah.
What is she been doing that slate practice? She's doing?
Yeah, she's doing.
Okay.
Mother is
Mama.
drawing, I think. Come on, match, children. N-O-P. N for, what will you match for? N, Mitra. N for? Mitra, N for?
இது என்னது
N for net. Very good. Net. Net. And then O for, what will you match for? O, Mahilini. O for? O for, you will match pan or orange? What will you match? Pan or orange? Orange or pana? O for? O for? What will come for O? Very good. Orange. This much time, ah? O for orange. Next, Varsha. P for?
P for pan.
Very good, Varsha. P for pan. Finish, children. Finish means color it, children. Pan, net, and orange. After you finish this, parents, I want you to write and give them A to P. From A to P in the notebook itself. Or else if they are writing also, well and good. From A to P, A, B, C, D. Till P you have to write. They are going to circle when I tell them each letter.
Randomly, ma'am.
No, A, B, C, D fully you write and give it to them. One by one I'll tell them the letter. Assortedly I'm going to say, so no problem in that. From A to P. If Jason is able to write, let him write. Children, if you yourself are able to write till P, you can write. In an order itself. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. Four letters in a line, children. Then only it will be easy for you to circle. A, B, C, D in a line. Then E, F, G, H in a line. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Four letters in a line. Okay?
Where is Sri Ananya's English notebook?
Sri Ananya.
Yes. Okay. She's
Right,
still scribbling in slate.
No, I think they are writing alphabet, I think. Hazel. Madhuvanti. Where are you, Madhuvanti? What are you doing, Madhuvanti? What are you doing?
டிரா
Draw பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? Okay. finish writing alphabets, children? Parents, draw a line like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let them write in that line. Otherwise, they will write very closely. So with equal distance, you can draw lines and give them. Then they will write on that lines. Sarah, finish matching. Rudwin's mom. You can write and give him A to P.
Yes, ma'am.
நீங்க எழுதி தரலாம் A to P ருத்வினுக்கு வெறும் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணா போதும்.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
4 letters in a line.
Dashwan is showing his notebook, madam.
Dashwan. Finish, Dashwan.
Finish.
Very good, Dashwan. Now come on, write A to P. A to P. 4 letters in a line, okay? No, man, write it in your notebook, Master Ananya. Write in your notebook.
Okay.
Ma'am is not having 4-line notebook, no? So I wrote in the slate. You need not write in the slate. Write in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Hazel, finish writing. Varsha, finish. Okay, children, shall we start circling? Is there anyone still writing? Let me know. Is there anyone still writing A to P?
Mahini is still writing, ma'am.
Okay. Very good, Jason's mom.
Sukriv is also writing, ma'am.
Yeah, right, Sudriv. I'll wait. No problem.
So when they write in English note, ma'am.
Let them write slowly. That's why I asked whether they have completed it or not. Vihan, finish?
Yes, ma'am. Sir.
Finish. Till P you have written. Is it? Very good, Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Vihan. Yes, ask your parents to write today's date. Today's date is 30/6/2021.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't dig your nose. Okay, ma. Keshav, finish?
No, ma'am. Still
Right.
writing.
Right. Slowly write.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Good. Kavi Kartika, till P you have written, Very good, Kavi Kartika. Show it little bit closely. Let me see. Kitta kattunga paakalam. I can't see, ma. Little bit higher. E, F only I have written. P. Till P you have to write. P. Till P. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Till P. P varaku. Come on, don't blink like that. Right, naughty girl. Right. Very good, ma Keshav. Now take a crayon in your hand and be ready. Very good boy, Keshav. 4 letters. Well done.
Okay.
Be ready with your favorite colors. Those are finished writing. Parents, when I am telling them one by one, I want you to please note down which alphabet they are not able to identify. And you write it separately in a corner. Take a snap and send it to me so that I will know which child is not able to identify the particular alphabet. Please don't tell them, idudam P, circle panna, you circle this. Don't please help them. Let them do it, then only we'll know. If they are not able to identify N, please write it in one corner. Then I'll know that they doesn't know to identify alphabet N. Radhia, any finish?
No, mom, she's still writing.
Writing.
Jason finished.
Jason finished. Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Really, you finished? Show me.
Yeah, but he's writing little bit bigger in size.
No issues. That will correct it in future. No issues. But he's able to write. No, that is well and good. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Good, ma, Sukriv Gautam.
Thank you, sir, ma'am. Kita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Sukriv. Still, who else is writing? Mahilini, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Finish? Okay, good. Mahilini is... No, it's not finished. What letter she is writing?
Till K, ma'am.
K.
Yes.
Okay,
But,
4 letters. L, M, N, O, P, 5 letters.
K properly, ma'am.
It's okay, no issues. In future, we'll correct that. Now only they have started writing, no? So no problem in that, parents. You can correct them when they write. In future, while doing worksheets, they'll correct it on their own. So no need to worry about that. Why Keshav is laughing? Is there anything in my face? Why is he laughing? Huh?
Ready, ma'am.
What? Ready? Okay, we'll start, okay? Let's wait for your friends, okay? Let them also finish. Mitra, finish? Finish, Mitra. What letter you are writing now? Very good, Dashwani. Right fast. We are going to start the activity right fast. Ananya, finish. Madhvanti, finish.
Ma'am, Ananya is struggling on N and G.
N and G. Okay, you write and give it to her.
Yeah.
I'll teach her how to write.
Parrot.
What is that, Makesha?
Parrot.
Parrot. Wow, who colored it like that? You are? Very nice, Keshav. Very good color. Keshav drew this, Well
Yes,
done, Keshav. Well done. Very good, Keshav. Yeah, you're really an artist, Keshav. Beautiful, Keshav. Even I can't draw like this. Good boy. Yeah, finish.
Spider.
Wow, spider. Keshav, I want you to put a notebook for all your drawings. Don't randomly draw in rough notebook, okay? Buy a new notebook, drawing notebook, and separately you draw everything. And then show it to me, okay? Yeah, fine. Thank you, Keshav. Okay, children, let's start. If anything is pending, parents, you can write and give it to them. We'll start circling. Time up. Ready, ready, ready. Ready, steady, go. Ma'am is going to start. All of you fetch your crayon. Come on. Take your favorite color in your hand. Take your favorite color crayon in your hand. Varsha, where is your crayon? Take your favorite crayon. Nobody's parents is going to help them. If they are finding difficult to find any alphabet, note it down in a corner. And after we finish the activity, everyone please send a snap of it in group. Ready? First alphabet is going to be F. F. Which is F? Circle F. A, B, C, D, E, F. F. From A, you can see A, B, C, D, E, F. Like that also you can circle F. Finish. Thumbs up, children. If you finish, I'll move on to the next letter. Very good. F over. And the next letter is C. C. Madhwanti, circle C. A, B, C. Very good. C finish. Very good, children. And the next alphabet is G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G, G, G. G. Water gurgles down the drain. G, 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 G. Finish, Radhyani? Good. G finish. Very good. Next alphabet is E. E. A, B, C, D, E. E, E. Come on, circle E. E. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan. Eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this. Eh. Very good. Next is K. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka, ka, ka. Very good. Finish. Well done, children. Very fast you are doing. Very good. Next is I. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. I. The ink is spread all over the desk. E, ink is wet. I. I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I. After H you will have I. Note it down, parents. If they are doing it wrongly, please note it down in a corner.
மேம்
Whatever
எச் சொன்னீங்களா கே சொன்னீங்களா மேம்?
Yes?
எச் சொன்னீங்களா கே சொன்னீங்களா?
K.
ஓகே ஓகே.
H I didn't say.
ஓகே மேம் ஓகே ஓகே.
Yeah. I, everyone circled I. Kavi Kartika, sit and do the activity. Come on. I finished. Next is L. L. Are you sorry? I showed the card. L. Lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. L. I, J, K, L. L. Very good. Over. Next letter. Yeah, very good. Next letter is H. H. I like to hop up and down. I like to hop all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Ha 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 ha. H. Next letter is D. D. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da. See me play upon my drum. D. Well done, Kana Ananya. Good. Finish it and then show it to me, okay? Finish. First finish. D. Finish A, B, C, D. And next is J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Madhuvanti, J circle பண்ணுங்க. J. Next is O. O is very easy, children. O. It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. Oh. Yes? Very good. Oh, after A. A is very easy. A. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. They are causing me alarm. Finish. Next is N. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. N. IJKLMN. After M, you will have N. Very good. Well done. Most of you finished. Good. Next is B. A, B. 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 Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. A after B. After A, you will have B. Next is M. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. M. IJKLM. After L, you will have M. And the final letter, P. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff. Puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff. Well done. Yes, a big round of applause. Parents, I request you to take a snap along with what you have observed. The letters which they are not able to identify, write their name on top of the notebook and then take a snap and send it to me. I'll check. Okay? Very good, children. I've seen everyone's very good. Thank you so much, children. All of you have done very well. Very good. A big round of applause for everyone. Yes. Yeah, take a snack and send it to me. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, children.
Thank you. Bye, Sulu.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye, Tarneshwar.
Bye.